Hello, everybody. We have 3 tickets, Monopoly tickets, because you got a bonus when you bought the tickets. So when we bought them, we got 3 extra. So these are the bonus tickets. There's only 3 of them. They're $5 tickets. All right.
Should we do a Holly and Jilly check-in?
Yeah.
Our last one here?
We'll do a check-in. Oh. Well, Holly went to Disney World while we were on vacation.
Got herself some mouse ears.
Yep, she got herself some mouse ears. And Jillian, she got the mini hat.
Minnie's hat. That's what that
and you
is.
see, she doesn't move much from the bed.
No, she's claimed that all week.
Yeah,
so.
she is the princess in the bed. But she's got her mini hat on. So the girls are still doing fine.
Yeah. It's funny.
And we'll be home in a few days. All right. Let's see. I've lost my quarter. Here it is. What do we got? Well, we got a winning number. What can we do? Let's see. Match any of your numbers with the winning numbers and win the prize shown. Get a railroad sign and double the prize, or get Go Past Go and win $200 automatically. That's because you get $200 when you Go Past Go. All right, so these are cool. They got little car, the Monopoly car. Where's the number? Oh, 4. Okay. And the Monopoly hat is a 35. And the duck, there's no duck in Monopoly, is there? 26. Guess there is now. And the cat, yeah, I think they changed him a few years ago, right? 24. $37. Okay, so our numbers are 4. We jump up to 24, 26, 35, and 37. All right, let's see if we can match one of these bad boys.
Monopoly, just like home.
Yeah, just like home.
They did change the symbols a couple years ago, so it might have
Yeah. They might have added a duck. You know, they love the ducks on the cruise ship.
Yeah,
Oh, it's not a 4. It's a 40. And it's a 2.
All right. We got 20 times.
29. 14. Oh, sorry about that.
Move the camera.
Yeah, back.
It's not a regular camera still.
32, yeah, so we're struggling. 33, no. We have a 35 and a 37. 15, no. 12, no. 9, how about a 4? No. 39, no. 10. 18. 6. And 23. No, we have 24. Come on, Mr. Monopoly. Get with the program.
Mr. Monopoly Head.
We have
Mr. Monopoly Head.
We have 35, and this is 34. Oh, 38. No, we have 37. They're just teasing me. 31. 3. Maybe we'll do better at the second chance drawing tonight.
Yeah. We have to turn in all our losing tickets by 10 p.m. tonight, the last night of the cruise, and they pick a winner. I don't know what the prize is.
Just one winner?
I don't know.
It looks like nothing there. I'll give that to you. You can do that.
I'll verify that.
Verify that. 17. 16. 26. And the cat is 19. Wow, a lot of teens here. And a 2. So it's 2, 16, 17, 19, and 26. I didn't get a railroad and I didn't get a Go Past Go sign, so.
Nothing on this.
Oh, 27. 6. 29, no. 37, we have nothing in the 30s. 28, no. 12, no. 1, we have 2.
Of course, one-offs.
Yeah. Oh, I thought that was a 17. It's not. It's a 13. I don't have one of those either. 25. We have a 26. Chicken legs 11. 2 more rows. 40 way too high. 18. We have 19 and 16. Niner. No.
Let's get it go. Get it go.
Yeah. 5 no. 3 no. Oh, it's not a 3. It's a 31. Still no. 34. Still no. 24. No, we have a 26. 15. We have 16 and 17 and 19. Come on. You can do it, Mr. Monopoly. Come on. Try hard. I see I don't have my holly luck here.
Nope,
and a 20. So we'll let you look at that one again. I do not believe there was anything on there.
Come on, remote holly luck.
Yeah, Holly. Okay, we got a 37, 22, 20, 34, and a 7. 7, 20, 22, 34, 37.
Nope, no win on this one.
Oh, that's too bad. Looking for a go. 13, no. 26, no. Chicken legs 11, 15, that would be a 10, no. 3 more rows. 31, no, we have 34. Fiver, no, we're looking for lucky 7. 14, no. 17, no teens. Skip right to the 20s. Oh, instead we got a 2. $36, we have a 37. 23, we have a 22.
1 off.
40 is too high. 3 is too low. 8 is right around there, but we need a 7. Last row. Come on, we need a go. We want to go past go. We got a 21.
Go, man, go.
20 and 22 is what we have. 38. We have no, we have a 34. Oh, and a 37. Yeah. 6. No, we need a 7. Oh. Lordy. 30. No, we have a 20. And our last number is a 33. We have 34. Oh, all right. Mr. Monopoly, you fell through again. Nothing there. All right, if you like what we do, I guess Mr. Monopoly can stay there. Give us thumbs up, subscribe, and good luck with your scratching.